David, we have not talked about Tesla.
No, we haven't.
And 3 million cars.
And there's 37 minutes have gone by, and we haven't mentioned Musk.
No, I just thought it was important to go over him because he's supposed to be good for your numbers when you talk about him. Okay, we've done that. Let's talk about Bed Bath.
Wait, you saw 3 million cars, right?
Well, we don't have to say anything beyond it.
Excuse me?
Actually, Tesla is a bellwether.
Tell me.
An important bellwether of retail investing. That's why you follow it. You don't follow it because of whatever he says. You follow it as a way to be able to talk about the animal spirits of the retail investor.
You also follow it because it's almost back to being a $1 trillion company.
So, well, the reason I'm bringing it up,
one
David,
of the by far largest companies in the world.
David, the reason I'm bringing it up is if you are Brett Taylor,
yes,
co-CEO of Salesforce, but chairman.
Correct. Co-CEO of Salesforce,
Twitter.
Chairman of Twitter, who is at the center of dealing with Mr. Musk and his.
And you'd probably like to end this before Dreamforce, but you can't do that. So, David, is this good or bad if you're Twitter that the Tesla stock keeps going higher?
I think it's good if you're Twitter because I think it makes it more likely that Musk will say, you know what, fine, I'll pay this ticket. Well, let's move on. Let's settle. I'll give you $50. Will you take 50? And maybe if you're that bored. Right now, you're like, no, we're going to nail you. We are going to take you to court and crush you. But you probably should be thinking, all right, I can close that deal pretty darn quickly.
My question is, David, time frame.
But I can put it quickly.
Time frame of this.
Yeah.
Now. Time frame is now.
No, not quite. LVMH, they didn't start really until they took depositions. Arnault is like, no thanks.
Arnault's the best, and we don't talk about
it. And so, when they start to depose people, by the way, they've subpoenaed everybody. Twitter.
I know. I haven't gotten a subpoena. I felt left out.
If you're one of Musk's buddies, you're getting subpoenas. If you're one of the investors that he brought in, you're getting subpoenas. They've just subpoenaed everybody, trying to make it just more of a pain for everyone.
So
they'll turn to him and go, come on, man, really?
They're not used to getting subpoenaed.
No.
Now, when they get subpoenaed, what people have to understand is usually about 20 hours of their time, which they regard as being incredibly important, is taken away. And usually tortured by lawyers who do nothing but torture you.
Yes, you speak as somebody who has been subpoenaed.
Many times deposed.
Yeah, that's...
Okay, state your name.
Something I want.
Jim Cramer. I realize that one of your houses, you call it James Cramer. Is that your house? Yes. Can you identify why it's your house? Well, I bought it. Do you have anything? This is how it goes. When you're deposed, are you taking any medicines? What is that? I object to that. Okay, then we're going to bring a motion in front of a court. We want your list of medicines.
Exactly. So nobody wants to be subpoenaed to have to be deposed or anything like that. So they may turn and say, come on, Elon, can't you?
Right, they don't want to be subpoenaed. It's a terrible thing.
With Tesla up dramatically from its lows, you got more money. You just sold more stock. Maybe you just want to give an offer they can't refuse.
Okay, so David, I want
not too far from
one that you and I were involved with, Micron.
Yes.
Sanjay Mehrotra, okay, basically pre-announced the second time.
Okay.
And even a third time, if you count the meeting that was going on that we didn't know about the cloud slowdown.
Right.
So the stock is above the second pre-announcement. What do you make of that? The first one wasn't really a pre-announcement. It was a guide low. What do you think of that?
People are looking past it and listening to Sanjay's 5-year plan. I don't know.
That's what I'm thinking. They're looking past it.
Right.
That the reality is that the basic building blocks are needed, and that flash might be, or DRAM might be coming back a little more. I just pointed out, but although this same pattern happened after when he reported and then he cut numbers, then the stock ran.
Yep.
But I just want to keep track of MU, because MU said they were cutting production. And when you cut production, David, the glut ends.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.